everybody, my name is Caitlin Aarons and welcome to Family Meal. Today we are going to be battling it out hummus style. By the way, welcome to a new kitchen for us this week. We are in my parents' kitchen today, really the origin of a lot of different things, good and bad. So I want to welcome you and welcome my first guest. He's coming in here, coming in hot. He is holding my CIA chef coat, which without fail always seems to be a proud dad moment.
Hello.
Oh, you want to introduce yourself to the fans?
I am the dad, and I am ready to challenge her. Got my utensils, got my olive oil, I'm all ready to go.
Awesome.
First things first, let's grab our hummus ingredients. For 2 people, 1 can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans will do. Feel free to scale up though if you've got a larger group of people competing. You'll need some olive oil as well as some of either the cooking liquid or the liquid from the can, depending if you're using fresh or dried chickpeas.
All right, next you want to gather your materials. So we're going to need a can opener, something to blend with, so whether you want to use an immersion blender or a fork to mash it up, bowls and spoons for each participant, and get your can of beans ready. So I opened mine already, so I'm going to go ahead and just drain out the rest of that liquid, and then we'll get started. All right, so time for the hummus battle royale. So we're gonna start getting our ingredients. Are you ready?
I'm ready, let's go for
You
it.
look pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
This is the one that will seal it. Probably not.
All right, now we're gonna call on the judge, which in our house is almost always my mom. And I'm not sure if it's because she always eats just about anything that we make or it's her profession, but Judge, head on into the tasting room there. So we've got 2 different hummuses there. I want you to try them on some of our different things that we've got. We've got some naan, sourdough, carrots, bell peppers, celery, all things you guys had in your pantry. Thank you.
I don't want to, again, influence you too much, but you know, if you do, and a little massage just to kind of help you make this decision.
Here's my ruling. They made me bring this.
Thank God we have that.
I guess it's a split decision.
No.
No.
You can't do that?
No, you can't be that.
Oh my gosh. Well, I have to say that, as you know, Chef Dad, AKA Chef Steve, I'm not a huge fan of red pepper flakes in abundance. So I would have to say this challenge goes to this hummus, and I presume that's Caitlin, but I don't know for sure.
Wow, Chef Dad wins for today.
And you get to keep
And
your
you get to keep your rose.
All right, well, thank you everybody. That about wraps it up for today's family meal. Big thank you to my parents, our judge and chef participants for the day. And just wanted to let you know too, if you've got extra hummus, you can store that in your freezer. Just put a little bit of extra olive oil on top, or obviously put it in your fridge and enjoy it on a sandwich later, which is what we'll be doing. We hope to hear more about what you guys are doing on social media, so tag us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal. And we hope to see you guys next time. We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal.